Hello students, I am Dr. Parin Sheikh from LG Institutes of Applied Sciences. Okay, now today's topic is inorganic polymers. This is my first lecture for SEM 5 students. Okay. Inorganic polymers are very useful in our everyday lives and it also useful in engineering and technological field. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about different classification of inorganic polymers. So let's start the lecture. Classification of inorganic polymers. What is inorganic polymers? Inorganic polymer macro-sized covalent molecules which do not contain carbon as a backbone. Generally organic polymers in which the skeleton is made up of carbon, but in case of inorganic polymers, the skeleton or a backbone is made up of except carbon. Now, classification of inorganic polymers. First classification, that is based on atom in skeleton. Second classification based on element present. Third classification based on method of preparation. And the fourth classification, that is based on the conjugated atom present in the polymer. We will discuss one by one. First, on the basis of atom in skeleton. It divided into homotopic polymers and second heteroatomic polymers. In case of homoatomic polymers, which contains only one type of element. For example, either they contain silicon, phosphorus, tin, sulfur, germanium. S8 polymer is known as homoatomic polymer. Heteroatomic polymer. More than one type of element present in the polymer. For example, silicons, in which silicon and oxygen present in heteroatomic polymer. Second classification, that is based on which element present in the inorganic polymer. It is divided into four different types. First, the element which is boron. Second element, that is silicon. Third element, that is phosphorus containing polymer. Fourth, that is sulfur containing polymer. Now, the example of boron containing polymer is borazine. That is also known as inorganic benzene. Substituted borazine, for example, trimethylborazine, boron nitride, they belong to boron containing polymer. Silicon containing polymers, the example is silicons. Phosphorus containing polymers, metaphosphates, polyphosphates, phosphonitrile halide. Now, sulfur containing polymer, nitride of sulfur, sulfur of thiazole halide, amide of sulfur. These are the examples of the polymer in which different elements are present. Third, that is on the basis of method of preparation. How we prepared the inorganic polymers. So, first by the condensation polymers. Second, by the addition polymers. Third, that is coordination polymers. In case of condensation polymers, two or more similar type of simple molecules polymerized, in which elimination of small molecules such as water, ammonia, hydrogen gas, HCl gas, etc. molecules are removed or eliminated during condensation polymerization process. In case of addition polymers, addition of monomers are there. For example, sulfur trioxide in presence of water gives addition polymers. Propylene react with SO2 in presence of benzoyl peroxide, which gives addition polymer. Now, coordination polymers. Coordinate bond between metal and ligand, which generate coordination polymer. Second, chelate containing metal atoms can also form such polymer. It can also prepared through elimination and addition reaction. This is classification of polymer based on method of preparation. Now, condensation polymer. Here, for better understanding, one example is there in which R2SiCl2, when react with water molecule, it forms silicons, SiOH twice. And this molecule, upon polymerization by removal of small molecules such as water molecule, which gives linear silicon, that is also known as silicons, in which silicon and oxygen are present alternatively. This is one of the example of condensation polymer. Last classification, that is based on conjugated atom present. Conjugated atom, silicon oxygen, second phosphorus nitrogen, and sulfur nitrogen. In case of silicon oxygen, silicon and related compounds containing polymers are there. In case of phosphorus nitrogen, phosphonitrile halide polymer, the general formula, that is NPX twice N time. In case of conjugated sulfur nitrogen, examples metaphosphate, polyphosphate, cross-linked phosphate. These are the polymers based on conjugated atom present. This is about classification of inorganic polymers. In next video lecture, we will discuss polymers, inorganic polymers which contain boron atom. Thank you.